Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. I'm Getty. If you are new to the channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's video, I share with you how to make the simplest and easy gizzard jollof rice. This jollof rice turned out to be so delicious. So please let's get started. Over here, I have some gizzard in my pot. I added some stock cube, chicken seasoning, herb spices, basil, and also some blended garlic and ginger. So I will let this boil for some minutes, and when it is well cooked, I will take it off from the fire and fry them on a medium heat. Now, after frying my gizzard, I'm going to use the same oil for my stew. So I added tomato paste. I will let this fry for some minutes before adding my blended tomatoes and pepper. Meanwhile, if today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. This is Getty's World, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell button to get notified each time I upload a video. After a good 20 minutes, the stew is doing so well, and I added my spices, that is curry, nutmeg, some rosemary, black pepper, Sankofa stew seasoning, and other spices. I will give this a good stir. Let it cook for some more minutes before adding the rest of the ingredients. At this point, the stew is well cooked, and it's time for me to add the rice, and the rice too has already been washed. You can use any rice of your choice, and I will give this a gentle stir. After that, I will let this fry for some 5 minutes before adding my water, and I'm also going to use just 1 cup of water. That is the water I will use to cook this rice. After 15 minutes, I'm going to stir the jollof rice. And you know, when cooking jollof rice, it demands constant stirring. So this is how I'll be doing it until the rice is well cooked. And also, I'm cooking this under a very low heat because I don't want my rice to get burnt. So this is how I'll be doing it. Cover it for some time and stir it again before adding my foil to cover the rice. So far, our rice is almost done. Just look at this beautiful color, and I added some bell peppers. You can choose any vegetables you want to for your rice. This is what I want to use for this rice. So I will just give it a quick stir, cover it, then our rice will be ready in just a few minutes. The jollof rice is ready. This looks so colorful and it turned out to be so delicious as well. With just some few ingredients, I was able to make this. And if you are still watching up to this time, thank you very much. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in my next video. Thank you.